Hello students, I Kailash Kumar sir welcome you all on this online edu classes of Brilliant Public School. In this video we are going to study the next important topic of English grammar, that is exceptions for the usage of the article a or an, and also we will cover the important word list which you have to keep in mind while using a or an. So let's proceed further, students. You probably know that the article a, comes before a word starting with a consonant, and the article an is used before a word starting with a vowel. But what about those tricky words that don't sound quite right when you follow the rule? So let's learn how to use the article a and an in certain instances with these example sentences. A unicorn, an umbrella. Here in this both examples you can see the word unicorn begins with the vowel u, and the next one umbrella is also beginning with the vowel u. The next example is a unicorn. Yes, we have done this. So let's move ahead. The proper usage of a and an. They are indefinite articles. Unlike other languages that use masculine and feminine articles, English uses three articles to identify nouns. They are a, an, and the. The is a definite article that refers to a specific item, while both a and an are indefinite articles for singular nouns. When the noun is plural, a or an can change to some. These are the only indefinite articles in the English language. When the next word begins with a consonant sound, we use the article a. Example of sentences with a include: I went to a restaurant. The next sound is R. Here we can see that after the article a, the word restaurant begins with R sound. Next example, a man was driving too fast. Here we can clearly see the next sound after a is M. In the next example, a dog barked all night. Here we can see the next sound is D or D. In the next continuation, we can see Sharon decided to read a book. Clearly, we can see, students, the next sound is B or B. Joel drives a purple Audi. The next sound is P. After A, we can see the sound of purple begins with P. You can tell when to use an instead of a if the next sound is a vowel sound. For example, I bought an umbrella just before the rain started. Here the next sound is a, that is umbrella. The next example is the news reported an alligator attack. Here we can see the next sound after an is a, alligator. Right? Further we have Lily wanted an ice cream cone. The next sound after an is I. An eager child ran into the store. Here we can see after an, the next sound is E. The boy picked up an orange cup. Rightly we can see here, the next sound after an is O. So children, these are very simple and easy to remember how to use and where to use an. Next we have, the rule is easy to follow in English. It's simple and it's easy to hear errors. Some of them are, I bought a umbrella. Doesn't sound correct. Neither does I went to an restaurant. So these two sentences, when we say them, when we read them, it doesn't sound correct. But some words make it harder to tell which article is appropriate. Next we have some common confusion. A misunderstanding of the rule is that you need to pay attention to the actual letter of the next word. In reality, it's the sound of the word that you should follow when deciding to use a or an. It's tempting to call these words exceptions, but they follow the rule just as well as words that are spelled phonetically. Words that begin with H, very important words here. It's hard to tell, it's very difficult to tell whether you should use a or an before H words. The rule dictates that if the first syllable is not stressed, you can use the article an. Additionally, some words have the H sound at the beginning, while it is silent in other words. Check out these examples of different words that begin with H. Like first one is the hourglass, horse, honor, hair, hair. Even though they all begin with the consonant H, some of these words use the an article. An hourglass. Here you can see the picture of an hourglass, how it looks like. A horse. The first sound is H. The next one is an honor. The first sound is O. An heir. The first sound is A. A hair. First sound is H. Now, words that make a U sound. Some words that begin with vowels don't actually start with a vowel sound. In these cases, their U beginning sounds are actually consonant sounds, which then require the article a or a. Some of these words are a European trip, a U, a union, a URL, a unicorn, a eulogy. It's natural to see the vowels when writing and automatically add an. But trying saying each word out loud, you will find that an union doesn't sound correct at all. Next is words that make a W sound. Another instance of consonant sound words hiding as a vowel words are words that make a W sound but begin with the letter O. There are only two words in English that fit this description. They are ONCE once and ONE one. If you are writing about a one-legged bird or a once in a lifetime opportunity, use the article a. Next we have the acronyms. Using the correct article when writing acronyms isn't always easy. Just like in other words, you are listening for the initial sound, not necessarily the letter. Take a look at these examples of acronyms in which you pronounce each letter individually, also known as initialisms. So let's have a look. An MBA. Here the first sound is M after an. A GRE. Here the first sound is G. An NFL coach. The first sound is N. A DOJ employee. Here the first sound is D. An SOS signal. Here the first sound is S. So this was all about the proper usage of the articles a and an. Students, I hope this topic is very well clear to you and you'll never forget about this in future. So thank you all. Have a blessed day. Have a safe day.